Hello my loves, my name is Lilian Tahmasian and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be doing something that I've never done before ever on this channel. I was inspired by the beautiful Sophia, I'll put a link below, in regarding getting a microscope and looking at my face. I don't think anyone's done this particular video before. I'm going to be doing half my face drugstore makeup and the other half with high-end makeup, and we're going to compare the both under a microscope. Dun dun dun. A few days ago I ordered a literal microscope on Amazon, and I'm just excited to see the junk and the gunk that I'm going to find in this face. I'm just saying. Obviously I have nothing on my face because I wanted to see I hope my face is clean and clear under the microscope, supposedly clean face under the microscope, before I do apply the makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what a clean face looks under a microscope, what a drugstore makeup tutorial looks under a microscope, as well as a high-end makeup tutorial. We shall get into this video and I hope you guys like it. I'm excited and I'm so nervous. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram at Lilian Tahmasian so I can stalk you all. Let's get into it. Bye. So I've attached this microscope. By the way, you guys, it is literally 10 PM. I've never filmed this late before. Actually, that's a lie. One time I filmed at 2 AM, but anyway, different story. So it's quite late. So if my eyes go like, excuse me, I'm just a bit sleepy, but I'm so excited I had to do this today. Right, okay. So this is what the microscope looks like, and I have a window here that's going to show me, and I'm going to screenshot it for you guys, or screen record it for you guys, what is under this gunk. So how do we screen record? I'm going to start with my skin, and then I'll do my eyes and then my brows. Are you ready? Ooh, please be clean. Okay. I see freckles from the Australian sun. Like, what is that a blackhead? Okay. What is that? What am I looking at? My pores are massive, you guys. Why is there a random black? You guys, I actually have a mirror here and I cannot see that black hair. Where did that go? Where did that go? I'm looking at it and I cannot see this black hair with the naked eye. Glitter everywhere. Where is this glitter coming from? I just literally washed my face. Probably leftover makeup. Okay. What is that? Do I see foundation? My entire face is glittery. What is going on? Okay. I'm scared to look at my chin. What is that? Oh, that's disgusting. Blackheads. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so I see a lot of freckles, I see a lot of hair and glitter everywhere. Okay, we're gonna skip to my nose, which I'm terrified because I have massive pores and I do get a lot of blackheads, but here goes nothing. That is disgusting. That is, oh, okay, Lilian. Lilian. That's disgusting. I am so disgusted of myself. But my mouth is watering because I'm just so excited to finish this video and pluck them all out. Disgusting. I cannot. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at these eyebrows. They are microbladed. Duh. It looks terrifying. Oh, isn't it so weird how hair grows? Disgusting. Oh. I swear on my entire existence that looks like a spider's leg, but obviously it's my hair. Oh, I was about to have a heart attack there. Those Pantene commercials, okay? Imagine if someone's doing this and they literally just see like a spider or like a hair, what do you call it? Lice just walk. I would die. I mean, I'll shave my hair and then die, but I do see a lot of hair product in there. Okay. I wonder what fabric looks like. Okay. That looks disgusting. I'm just trying to give you guys context of what my Mickey Mouse sweater looks like. Now that you know what everything looks like under the microscope, let's go ahead and apply the makeup, and then I'm going to go and show you guys what it looks like under the microscope. Okay, half my face I'm going to be doing high-end and the other half drugstore. I'm going to do the high-end first. I'm going to be using NARS foundation and just apply this everywhere. I am both terrified and fascinated. Hope that disgusting hair particles do not show now that I have my foundation on my face. I'm going to be applying my Tarte Shape Tape. How I would normally conceal. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Born to Run. And I'm just going to be grabbing this beautiful cream shade. It'll go everywhere. I wonder what makeup looks like under the microscope. I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful pink shade and just lightly going over the lid. And then I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful glitter gold and just dabbing in the middle in the corner and then dragging it out. Just going to bake my face using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Make sure this doesn't move under the scope. While that is setting, I'm going to be grabbing my Ciate mascara in Wonderland. Shoving this on there because I'm excited to see what's under my face. I feel like mascara is going to look disgusting under the scope. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm so nervous. I'll be adding a tiny bit of Laura Geller blush and then highlighter. I'm going to be using the NARS Albatross, interesting, highlighter for my highland side. Okay. Oh, that's really good. Have I used this before? So just to finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Lisa Waitier Magnifix just to finish it off. Drugstore side, drugstore side, drugstore side. Now for my drugstore side, I'm going to be using the True Match L'Oreal foundation. Now you guys, honestly, this is a great foundation. I'm not even just saying that. It's honest to God. Absolutely amazing. And definitely try it. It's really great coverage. I'm going to go ahead and smash this on my face. I kind of don't have drugstore translucent powder because what I've been using for the past few years is Laura Mercier. So I'm going to skip that part. And I'm just going to go jump straight into my Face of Australia Glamazon Blush and Highlight Kit. And I'm just going to grab a good chunk of this. The shadows, I'm going to be using my It's Judy Time Pixie palette. I love Judy. I think she's amazing. I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful cream shade and just applying this as my base. I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful brown shade and then kind of concentrating on the crease and then bringing it all the way in. I've been watching the Shane Dawson Jake Paul series. I'm just like, I just have anxiety when I watch it, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing a beautiful gold shimmer shade just like I did with this eye. And I'm going to pack it on. See, you guys, it's similar. Let's see how it looks under the scope. But I am trying to do a similar look just so we can see the difference. It looks like I did the same makeup. Okay, you guys, it could have been the same shadow. Now just to add a tiny bit more glow, I'm going to be using one of my favorite highlighters from L'Oreal. It's a True Match Lumi Glow Nude highlighting kit. Okay, that was a mouthful. Since I used white, I'm going to be using white just to do it as similar as I can. For the mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation. On this side, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible In. Are you ready? This is the chocolate one, 848. It looks like this. This side, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors in Warm and Fuzzy. This is what it looks like. Honestly, all jokes to one side, how similar do the eyes look? It's a bit crazy. What if I find gunk in there again? But I'm excited. I'm going to start off with the high-end one. Okay, we're going to start off with foundation. The big difference in my face being clean, and then I feel like the foundation is hogging my pores and just getting right in there, which is very interesting. Very glittery. This is a really high coverage foundation, the NARS one. See my chin again because my chin freaked me out the first time. Okay, the blackheads are definitely not as visible. Okay, the blackheads are covered. I can tell you that this does cover things, in fact. Okay, great to know. Let's check the nose. They're covered. It could be, I mean, why is there hair on my nose? Now I'm going to do the shadow. Okay. Ooh, okay. Very glittery. I think that looks normal. Okay, nothing too crazy there. It's very nice, very glittery. I'm gonna do the mascara. Ooh. Okay, so there's a bit of glitter. I'm assuming this is like the glitter that fell down. Look at that. Look how clumpy it is, you guys. Is it safe to be doing this near my eye? Very clumpy mascara. Okay, but at least it gets its job done. I'm gonna do my brows. This time they are filled out, so let's see. I can see a bit of pigment. Okay. These, oh, that disgusts me so much. Those tiny little hairs disgust me. Okay. I'm gonna do the lippy now. Very pigmented. So that was the high-end side. I'm not sure exactly what I was looking for, but I was looking for something. I don't know what it was. Okay, I'm gonna do the foundation of my drugstore side. See how good the foundation covers up the blackheads from the drugstore using a microscope. No, I definitely 100% feel like the blackheads are much more apparent. You can visibly see some blackheads over here. I'm gonna move on to the blush. Okay, there's a lot of glitter, but it looks like tiny glass, huh? A lot of glitter particles, which is understandable 100%. I mean, I did put a whole lot of highlighter there. Okay, I'm gonna look at the shadow from the drugstore. Not as pigmented. Okay. And the mascara. That is so interesting. The mascara isn't as chunky and it's kind of imparts more. It's like, oh sorry, that's my eye. It's kind of breaking in different areas rather than being chunky. I think I'm going blind, you guys, after that light in my eye. I feel like there's like mascara and the invisible hair and then mascara again, whereas this side is like a whole bunch of chunky mascara. So this one isn't as thick. The drugstore mascara isn't as thick as the other one. Okay. Let's take a look at the lippy. Drugstore. High-end. I think the difference with this lippies is that the drugstore one isn't as pigmented as the high-end one. It doesn't cover more skin. I wonder what my teeth look like. I am legit gonna go blind tomorrow, I'm just saying. I think the main thing, I look ridiculous, okay. I think the main thing that we covered is that the drugstore side is quite more sparse when it comes to the application of the makeup, the formula. It's not high coverage. Obviously this all depends on exactly which products you use, obviously. Generally speaking, it definitely was a bit more sparse. You saw the blackheads, you saw the skin, so it wasn't as high coverage. Compared to the high-end side, you definitely, the blackheads were, to me, pretty much completely covered. I would say like a good 90, maybe 95% covered. The pigments are more apparent. This all, obviously, as I mentioned, depends on the product. This definitely was a very interesting video. I had never done that before. I remember one time a lady came to our house when I was maybe 16 and she put me under this blue light. She pretty much saw the freckles that I was going to get in the future, which weren't apparent in real life, but then in the blue, I think it's called the UV light, I saw everything and I had freckles everywhere. I mean, I was born and bred in the Australian sun, so I think a lot of Aussies go through something like that and you have to be very careful wearing sunscreen. So moral of the story is take care of your skin. Don't wait until, I don't know, you're 40 or you're 50 to use correct products. Have a skincare routine. Wear sunscreen every day. That's something that I'm still working on every day, to wear sunscreen. I do have a skincare routine down packed, but the sunscreen is something I have to work on. Just protect your face, protect your skin. Use, you know, a sun hat, protection, clothing, sunglasses, whatever it is, because you don't realize these things unless you have this, which is crazy. But it was a very interesting video to make. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on what you guys think of this video. If there's any other particular videos that you want me to create, let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Until next time, keep smiling, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. Have a beautiful night. Bye.